TipsHaler is a French valve holding chamber manufactured in France in an ISO 13485 certified laboratory. TipsHaler was designed especially to optimize lung deposition of corticosteroids alone or in combination in order to minimize potential side effects. TipsHaler is 100% recyclable. The patented inspiratory valve called IsoBreath makes TipsHaler able to modulate the inspiratory flow and even fits with infants' inspiratory flow. Before using it for the first time, please read the instructions of use supplied with the valve holding chamber and follow these instructions. Before each use, make sure TipsHaler is in good condition. Also check that TipsHaler is correctly assembled and does not contain any foreign matter. If damaged, replace it immediately with a new one. Shake the metered dose inhaler, then remove its cap. Insert the metered dose inhaler in the flexible connector at the back of the valve holding chamber. Thanks to its flexible material, TipsHaler fits most metered dose inhalers. Gently place the mouthpiece in the child's mouth. At the end of an expiration, press on the metered dose inhaler to release a puff of drug. Let the child breathe 5 to 6 times during inhalation. Check the correct inhalation of the drug through the expiratory valve movement. Repeat the treatment if necessary, according to your doctor's prescriptions. Metered dose inhaler releases an aerosol containing the drug particles into the valve holding chamber. Thanks to the characteristics of its materials, TipsHaler will quickly fix large particles on its walls, preventing their impaction in the throat and the trachea. TipsHaler will thus contribute in a better selection of the finest particles, which will remain suspended in the valve holding chamber. These particles will then be inhaled into the deep lung. Small particles can thus deposit into the very small bronchioles, where their efficiency will be maximum. After use, remove the metered dose inhaler and replace the cap. Store TipsHaler in a dry place away from dust. We advise you to wash TipsHaler at least once a week following the cleaning instructions. TipsHaler is completely removable. TipsHaler exists with various models of masks and without mask to fit every patient needs. Your doctor prescribed the chamber adapted to your medical treatment. This valve holding chamber is part of your treatment. Make sure to use TipsHaler as recommended by your healthcare professional. TipsHaler exists in its TipsHaler Hospital version autoclavable.